AI influencers are very popular.
She is a 25-year-old fitness model making over $10,000 a month.
$10,000 a month.
$11,000 per month.
Which brings in about 10 grand per month.
Thousands of dollars from brand deals and spicy photos.
After watching these videos, I still had many questions about where they get such figures from and whether it's really possible to make money using this method. I'll tell you a secret. I managed to do it. In this video, I will explain the best way to create your AI influencer, the challenges I faced during its creation, and how to actually make money with it. Step 1. Model creation. Let's start with the simplest and most important thing. We need to come up with a model. This isn't just about generating a random image. First, we need to specify her height, weight, size, breast size, skin, hair, and eye color, ethnicity, and all the other details that come to mind. And after that, we go to ChatGPT and explain what we need. For example, I want to create my AI influencer, and I need to generate a prompt for AI to generate the necessary models. Here are the model parameters. The better you explain to ChatGPT what you need, the better the result you'll get. And if it provides a structured text, you can specify which AI you will be using, and it will generate the desired result. Don't be in a hurry to leave because ChatGPT will still help us a lot. Let's immediately generate a name for our model and ask it to create a content plan. This is a very important step. Define what kind of character this is, what her hobbies are, so that you don't publish generic photos that won't interest anyone. When creating your character, you need to understand that it's not just a pretty girl, but also an interesting model that will engage the audience. Therefore, content publication should be gradual, revealing the personality of your AI model. Here, we have generated a rough plan for publishing photos and their themes. Now we can move on to the next stage. Step 2. Face creation. I'm telling you right away that this will take some time, so you need to make it great. Create a face that will be memorable. There are many platforms for this. Among the free ones are Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3, or Leonardo AI, which also provide free tokens every day. As for the paid ones, there's Midjourney and Genfluence AI, which provide 500 tokens, enough to generate plenty of images. These will be useful for generating photos that I can't show here, and through which we will be making money. Let's start with the free options, using Stable Diffusion with the Focus interface and Leonardo AI. To access Focus, go to GitHub. Link will be in the description. We have two options. Download it to your computer and generate images using your PC's power, suitable only for NVIDIA GPU users or for everyone else. Click on this link to go to Google Colab. Click Connect and then Play. Wait for it to load and then click on the link that says gradio.live. Here we quickly go through the settings. If you want me to do a full review of Focus, as it has many features and generates great images, let me know in the comments. I will explain in detail how to turn this free tool into the best tool for generating images. Enter our prompt with the model characteristics and wait. And here is the result. The detailing of the facial features is excellent, as is the hair detailing. Overall, I like these models. This one turned out the best. Of course, I could generate many more models here, and Focus would give me an even better result. But let's try Leonardo AI next. Set the following settings, enter the prompt, and generate. If you're interested in learning about all the capabilities of Leonardo AI, let me know in the comments, and I'll do a review of it and maybe compare it with Midjourney. I think this would be very interesting for you. And here is the result we got. It's very impressive. The detailing of the face is astounding, with the skin texture wrinkles and lips drawn to such fine detail. Just look at the level of detail, how realistic it is. This model is my favorite. It somehow resembles Aitana Lopez. Also for comparison, let's try generating in Midjourney. If anyone doesn't know how to use it, I can do a full review of Midjourney, from how to buy a subscription to going over all the features so you can learn to generate like a professional. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in watching such a video. And now back to the images. After some adjustments, we got this awesome result. Midjourney is the only AI that made the hair pink, although with the other AIs we used, we just had to tweak the prompt, and we also achieved pink hair. This model in the bottom right looks amazing. Midjourney is one of the best tools on the market for generating realistic images, so you can achieve incredible results here. If you don't get the desired outcome right away, tweak the prompt and keep generating more and more, because you'll need to work with this face further. After my attempts, here is the result I achieved for my AI influence. This is great. Now let's figure out what to do next. We now have the model, and we need to create content to engage the audience. Step 3. Content creation. For this step, you'll need to spend time and effort, but I didn't say it would be very easy. The plan is simple. We ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for our model who is taking photos on the beach, taking selfies skiing, or playing the piano, and so on. We need a little of this kind of content to start with, and we will generate more and more as we go.
2,000 years later.
We will use these images to grow our Instagram and other social media platforms, but the first income won't come quickly. We need to build an audience and attract sponsors, which takes time. However, we do need to gather at least a small audience here. The main and faster income will be generated on Fanvue. This platform is an alternative to OnlyFans, where you can post and sell your images, and your followers can subscribe to your account to view these photos. For example, the most popular model here is Aitana Lopez, and a monthly subscription to her page costs $7.50. But we'll return to this platform later. Where should we create these images? For this, platforms like Genfluence are suitable. This AI is designed for AI influencers. To get started, click on Character. Here, we upload the photo of our model that we created, fill in the settings, and save. Now, go to Create and click on Advanced. For the model, choose Epic. And most importantly, for character, select our model. Now, the images will be generated with our model's face. Enter the prompt for your image, followed by the negative prompt. If you're unsure what you need, you can go to Discover and check out examples from other users and copy their prompts. Not everything works perfectly here, and you won't always get the desired result. But if you play around with the prompt and generate it several times, the outcome can be excellent. Also, if you're looking for a free tool, you can use Focus. It also generates explicit images, but it requires more time. Step 4. Face swap. So we have good images that suit us, but the face is different. This can be easily fixed. For this, we need Discord. Create your own server by selecting Create My Own. Then, for me and my friends, name it. And now we just need to add a bot. You can follow the link in the description, or go to Google and search for Insight Face Swap. Choose the server to add the bot to and click Continue. And that's it, the bot is on your server. To start, you need to upload the face. Type /savid, upload a photo of our model, and type her name. You need to remember it and press Enter. We've created the model. Now type /swapped, upload the photo where you need to replace the face. And in the ID name field, enter the model's name that we specified. Press Enter, and here's the result. It won't always be perfect, but just repeat these actions, and then you'll get the desired result. This can also be done in Focus. Click on Input Image, then Image Prompt, and upload our images there. Click on Advanced, and under the photo from which you need to take the face, select Face Swap. For the other image, choose Pyracani, and then Generate. Unlike Insight Face Swap, it doesn't just replace the face in the photo, but creates a similar image with the face swapped. The result is good, and if you play around with the settings, you'll achieve the desired outcome. Well, we've figured out how to create our AI influencer, and we have enough content, but something's missing. Right! Step 5. Video creation. We need to create a video from an image, and for this, we'll use Runway. Click on Text Image to Video, upload the image, and write a prompt. It should be short and preferably describe a single action for better results, because Runway struggles with multiple actions. Next, go to Motion Brush and select the area for animation. If you need to animate more areas, highlight them with different brushes. On the right, you can adjust the camera movement and then generate the video. Here's the result I got. You need to spend some time and tokens to get the result you want, as it doesn't always generate well. Here's the result I got when I wrote the prompt, smile. Yes, it's very funny and scary at the same time. And in this way, by following all these steps, we generate everything we need. Of course, there are moments when something doesn't quite fit perfectly, whether it's the face, hair, or body. And this can be adjusted in Photoshop to make everything perfect. Now we can move on to the final stage, the video. Step 6. Fanvue. First, you need to complete the registration. After that, fill out your profile. This part is easy. Upload an image of your AI influencer. Ask ChatGPT to generate a description for the profile, and save it. Next, go to Settings, then Creator Settings, and set the subscription price, which can range from $3.99 to $100 per month. Now, with the profile prepared, click on New Post. At the top, choose whether the post will be visible only to paid subscribers or to everyone. Upload the photo, Ask ChatGPT to generate a good description for the photo and publish it. At the beginning of the video, we generated a content plan. For maximum results, follow it or adjust it to suit your needs, ensuring that the content is regular and consistent. And here is the outcome.
You wake up when the alarm goes off. You go to your job. Sorry. Hi, boss.
This is not the easiest, but a very good way to make money online since the competition in AI influencer marketing is still small. So the chances of creating a top model are high right now. Follow each step and start earning money while I go develop the next interesting video for you. So subscribe to this channel. There will be a lot of interesting content about AI. Catch you in the next one.